Exercise 10.2, 10th problem. Y equal to x by sin x plus cos x. Here this is in the form of u by v. This is u is x and v is sin x plus cos x. We want to find dy by dx. It's nothing but y dash. So for this the formula is v du minus v u dv. So divided by v square. This is the formula for the division. V du minus u dv divided by v square. Here we want to square the denominator here, sin x plus cos x the whole square. So put sin x plus cos x here, v into d by dx of u, that is nothing but d by dx of x, minus u, that is x here, into d by dx of sin x plus cos x, that is v. We want to differentiate the thing there. So keep the sin x plus cos x as it is, and d by dx of x is 1 minus x into, for sin x the differentiation is cos x, for cos x the differentiation is minus sin x. Here we can simplify this numerator as sin x plus cos x minus x cos x plus x sin x. And then we want to simplify this, group the sign terms. This is sin x is common here. So we can take 1 plus x plus, and from these two we want to take cos x as common factor. So 1 minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x the whole square. 11th problem. Y equal to tan x minus 1 divided by secant x. So here you want to simplify this thing here itself. So it's nothing but sin x, this tan x can be written as sin x plus cos x, sin x divided by cos x minus 1. Secant x can be written as 1 by cos x. So we can take the LCM here at the numerator as sin x minus cos x divided by cos x into this 1 by cos x can be written as cos x divided by 1. And then we can cancel this cos x and cos x. So the remaining thing, now we have sin x minus cos x. Now I can differentiate this y as y dash. It's nothing but dy by dx equal to sin x can be written as cos x and cos x can be written as minus sin x. So minus into minus, it will become plus here. So plus sin x. 12th sum. Y equal to sin x divided by x square. So I want to differentiate this y as dy by dx. Here this x square can be written as x square the whole square, and at the numerator keep this x square here and d by dx of the numerator minus sin x the denominator into d by dx of the denominator. So here we can have the clue there. Here denominator square, here denominator into numerator, differentiation of numerator minus numerator into denominator of the differentiation. So we can simplify now as x square as it is, and sin x, differentiation of sin x is cos x minus sin x is as it is here, and then differentiation of this x square is nothing but 2x power 1. It's nothing but 2x. Now we want to simplify the numerator as x square in x. You can take this x term here and here. So you take x as common here. So the remaining things are x cos x minus 2 sin x divided by x power 4 here. Now we can cancel this one x and x here. That is x cube will be in the denominator. So your answer is x cos x minus 2 sin x here.